Peggy's Cove, the tourist trap of Nova Scotia.
Halifax is so friggin' big. But if you think about it, that's where the big planes land and all that. Alright, this looks like I have to go straight. Let me guess, I was supposed to go down, yeah, I was supposed to go down there. First it looked like I was supposed to go straight. Now I'm supposed to go down there. Well, maybe I can get away with a right turn here. Screw it. I'm going down this way. Just give me a nice normal road for once. Get me out of this friggin' giant plate of spaghetti. Alright, found a place to pull over. It seems fine when you're stopped, but when you're riding, she's getting pretty cold. It's like a cold, damp breeze, and as I keep going, it looks more and more like rain. So between the cold and the threat of rain, we're going to at least put the rain jacket on. Actually, I'm going to put it over top of this jacket. And that should act as a windbreaker and kind of cut that cold, wet air. And if it does rain, I'll have protection on the top half. And again, like before, as long as it isn't a heavy rain, I don't need the pants. If it starts to get heavier, I'll have to do pants. Alright, so let's get the raincoat on. Well, we're curving our way along the coastline towards Peggy's Cove. There's a few nice little coastal scenes and stuff. Of course, every time I hit the camera on, I'm in the bush again. Blind Bay. We'll go down to Blind Bay. So I took some close-up pictures of the tires, since there's probably been close to 6,000 clicks on them since I left home, and they were used to begin with, just to see how they're doing. And I put them on the local Facebook group for hundreds of people, hundreds of other bikers to look at, and asked if they thought, you know, that they're in good enough shape to make it all the way home yet, which could be another 2,000 kilometers yet by the time I'm home. And it seemed pretty unanimous. They all said, you know, of course nobody can promise anything, but they all said they look pretty good yet and that they should make it. So yeah, that was encouraging for me. Because I'm heading into West Dover. See, there's some nice water down there, but trees are all in the way. I could take these bends faster, but with all them wrinkles and cracks and bumps, and the road's just not in great shape in this particular area, so sorry for not giving you an exciting twisty road video. Feel free to come out and hear yourself and do it at your own risk. Well, that looks nice. This is a restaurant, but it doesn't look open. Oh, very cool. It's a cool little fishing town. Good. Interesting, picturesque. And for once, nobody on my ass. Everybody's stopping to take pictures. I think we'll go check it out. High waves, drowning hazard. Yeah, I know, because idiots go right down on the rocks in the heavy weather. People have died here just by being dumb. You know, most people I know that have died of their own stupidity. Not saying that's the only way, but it's common. So they have it nicely paved. It's all very touristy and that. There's a big parking lot there, but I'm just going to come down here and have a look. There's actually people live here and stuff. This actually goes closer to the Cove. And then it looks like there's another parking lot up here maybe. Or maybe we can have a look. We're going the wrong way now. Alright, this kind of curves around. You can't park. Maybe I can park over there. I believe that's how it's designed. See, so many tourists have come here, they've actually built it up. Shit, the frickin' parking lots are blocked off. Motorcycle parking. Yeah, okay. Well, I gotta figure this out. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that.
Normally it's in poor taste to show washrooms, but these ones are interesting. At Peggy's Cove, they've revamped them. Last time I was here 4 years ago, they had these kind of wood chip toilets, and it was just a hole that went down and you threw some wood chips down. And now they've upgraded and they've built this thing. And what it is it just kind of slowly, don't worry, there's no poop in here to look at. It just kind of slowly puts like a foam down the sides, and it just keeps going down like that. So you don't have to flush. You do your business and it just keeps washing it down slowly without using all the water. So it's pretty ingenious what they do here. All right, so here we are, Peggy's Cove, the tourist trap of Nova Scotia. Boy, they really built it up. I was here 4 years ago and they weren't this built up. This is all new. So you can see they made this huge deck. Still working on it. Restaurants, got a huge lineup of people to go in the restaurant. They've got a couple of tour buses in here as usual. But we'll take a walk down. We'll have a quick look anyway. It's nice and calm today. Usually it's famous for its huge crashing waves. Somebody up here playing an accordion or something. But we'll take a walk down. There's always tons and tons and tons of people all getting in your way and taking selfies and stuff. Like, I like the Cove. I think it's a really beautiful natural feature, but this one has been so built up and over touristified that it's a little beyond my taste, but we'll have a good look. It'd be really nice on a morning like this to drone it. I don't think you're allowed to, but it'd be really, really cool to drone this around here. I highly doubt that they would allow that. There we go, some people singing. We'll go see it for what it's worth. Well, that's about as Nova Scotia as it gets.
Would you like a photo as well, or?
Lots of places to sit on rocks around here without having to get washed away. I was here 4 years ago. The sea was much more turbulent. There was like huge waves crashing up. You would almost get wet, like right where those people are standing. You would get wet there. They were crashing up that big. So that's what makes this such a magnificent place to check out sometimes. But today's nice and calm, and that's okay.
Okay, that's enough. By the time the 4th tour bus rolled in, I'm like, okay, I'm out of here. Oh, here comes number 5. What day of the week is this? Is this like a weekend or something? I couldn't even tell you anymore. Oh, shoot. Which way am I going? This way, I think. Get me out of here. Feels like I'm in Halifax again. Take me back to those country roads and those nice isolated seashore locations. Everyone says go to these big places, but I tell you, to each their own. Sure, you know, there's a place to get a hot chocolate, there's a washroom. Appreciate those things. But the definition of impossible, taking a picture at Peggy's Cove without like 15 people in it. I remember having to turn around here with my trailer. That wasn't fun. Anyway, once you get past Peggy's Cove, you're pretty much on your own again. That just seems to be the central muster point for everybody. And they sure did muster today. Well, nice calm day. I believe today's August 1st. I don't know what day of the week it is, to be honest. I'd have to look on my phone. And I can't do that right now. See, for me, it doesn't really matter. All that matters is that I get to my next destination by the end of the day.